Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Depends on what you're using. I'm using iOS, so I'm gonna open App Store. Now on your screen you can see there are options like Today, Games, Apps, Arcade and Search. Under Search you can see on the top there's Search bar. Tap on it, then type in Pinterest. Once you do that, tap on search, then the top option would be the legit Pinterest app. Select that. Beside the logo you can see a cloud-like option. If you haven't downloaded it previously, there would be a get option, so tap on it. If you haven't downloaded it previously, you're gonna have to give your iCloud login details. If not, it's gonna download on your phone automatically. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Pinterest on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.